dusty. It's been an interesting day. Work got done. Taking them big old rocks right there. And now I'm building stone walls. I never imagined that I'll be building stone walls. So pretty much this is what we got going on so far, guys. This is a lot of work. See them logs right there? We have to get rid of those logs. And it's a lot of wheelbarrows back and forth, moving stones and rocks and everything else. But the end outcome, it's gonna look spectacular. The people at the restaurant are gonna be happy. You'll be able to dine out, fireplace, all the whole nine. So this is work in progress, guys. Stay tuned so you can see the finished outcome. Like and subscribe. And if you guys got any odd requests or anything built, and if you're local, give us a shout, a message, a like. You know, we'll reach back to you. We'll show up. We'll appraise, and we'll get to work, guys. Simple as that. We out here to provide you with a service. And if you need something done like this, whether if it's tree removal, rock removal, stone builds, we got you.